Yeah guys, from when I reach us up, you know say by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so they don't know what go on, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC Epic. If you are a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and you don't know the Shrek, so catch you now. Take in the intro guys.
We're so forward.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
So forward.
Welcome back guys. So from you see by the title, you know what video we'll be doing. That's a peanut butter chicken breast, and these are the ingredients. So we have our mixture of garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, and our chicken breast already deboned here. So we're just going to keep this simple, right?
Alright guys, so you don't know the Shreks, you know. And all you know about the peanut butter sauce, check out the Pan-Seared tofu.
Yes guys.
You get a better shot of what going over there, so. But
yes
right
guys.
now we're going to add some garlic powder upon this with the onion powder.
And we're going to rub this in.
And we don't want to add too much, so when it's seared up, it make it too dark.
No, just moderate amount, right? Guys, remember to follow us on our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Check the link in the description box.
And remember to season from high guys, so it's evenly spread.
Yes guys.
Then I want somewhere have salt and pepper and garlic powder.
Everywhere.
And the next part of you want it balanced.
Evenly distributed.
You want it asymmetrical.
Yes.
Alright, that's about it. So we're going to make it marinate for about 3 to 5 minutes and then get on with the oil. Smell the oil over there, say hot? So you know what we're going.
Yes guys, and you can season this for an hour to 30 minutes or until overnight, however or how much time you have. You feel me? Alright, so we're going to catch you in the back when we're going to submerge this in the oil, okay? So forward. Yes guys, look at that. That smoke, you know that your oil is at the perfect temperature for this pan-seared chicken breast. So you're going to submerge in the oil, and remember to lay away so you don't have any splash and burn, okay? And if this was a breast that added the skin, you would place it skin side down first, you understand?
Which is the skin side down, but it just don't have on the skin guys.
Yes.
And remember we're going to sear this for 3 to 5 minutes.
Yes
on
guys.
both sides. And then you know what we're going from this in the peanut butter sauce. So
and guys,
watch what go on. If you're a drinker, get a special. If you're a smoker, get what you like. And move it popcorn caramel style. You know the Shrek.
yes guys, so we'll see you guys when we're giving this a turn, okay? Soon come back. Yes guys, you hear that sizzling, so it's time for that turn.
Look at that.
Beautiful, right? So we'll see you guys again. And guys, please remember to allow this to cook now on low so you get everything cooked properly. Alright, so we'll soon come back again.
And then subscribe guys, subscribe now, because we have the epic creating them account.
Soon forward. Yes guys, look at that. Yes, that's our pan-seared chicken breast, perfectly seared. Yes guys.
Ready that ready now, so we just have to go one go. You know the Jamaican term. So watch this. Sauce on the pot.
Switch, yes guys, and if you want to see this full peanut butter recipe, you can check out our peanut butter grilled tofu.
Pan-seared tofu to be
yes,
precise.
my bad. And you will see it over there. So we're just gonna allow this to heat up, and then we add the chicken, right? So soon come back again. Yes guys, look at that man. So we're just gonna add our chicken breast. Woo, yes guys, I can tell you, see if you guys haven't tried this peanut butter recipe, you need to find it, because this will change your lives guys. And this will go good with your pasta guys. Thank me later. You're welcome in advance. because
feel free to try this, guys.
yes, man, the family will definitely appreciate it.
Because it's epic.
And guys, right now you want to reduce your flame. Turn it on low heat because you don't want this sauce to burn, right?
Or get too thick.
Just want it at the right consistency. Look at that, man. This with some pasta right now. Oh my god.
So see, already ready now, though?
Yes, guys.
So, come over the plating station now. Come check out what I want.
So guys, ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up
the comment section.
Yes, guys. Let's go. Give me one more look. Look at that, man.
Ready, I'm ready.
Let's go. Plating station. Here we go. Start dropping those comments. Plating time, guys. From your see the plate, you know what time it is. Banger. I want to hear in the comment section. Yeah, I'm hearing
Over here, so alone, I never see this.
Yes, guys, nice. We appreciate you guys so much, and to show our appreciation to you, we have a giveaway coming up, dinner for two. You can go over to our couples channel. That's King and Ali. Over there, we'll post it, and we'll post it over here just the same. Look at that, man. Look at the colors, guys. Sure, we not reach now yet. What do you think coming next? Oh my god, right? Ooh, yes. Yes. All that goodness, right? Guys, I'm screaming just the same as you guys.
No mess.
None at all.
So before me do that, I'm going to put a little dent on my mash.
Right there. Yes, guys.
I want him sit down on it.
Hey, hey, guys. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that, man. True. Guys, I want 200 likes for this video. Yes, man. Share out this video with everybody. Your friends, your family, everybody. Create a whole WhatsApp group and share out the content, because all of this goodness, guys, all of this goodness, you can't keep it to yourself. That would be selfish. But I know you want it all for yourself because you're selfish still. But give everybody else a glimpse of what's going on over here. So, hey, guys, call us and place your orders. Remember to follow our socials. Check the description for all of that. We do baby showers, wakes, parties, all of that good stuff. Private chef, all that good stuff.
Yo, come in and shell down your place.
Can do that for you guys, right?
Just link up on the Instagram. Because we don't really give out with numbers, so just like that, guys. So link up on the gram.
We will talk further there. Look at that, man. Made with love. You know the special ingredient over here all the time? Love. Right there. Telling you a secret, you know I'm telling you a secret. So just share out the video. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Guys, remember to follow our Instagram for the banger pictures.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Yes, guys. So there you have it. Or peanut butter chicken breast. Yes, guys.
And if you don't want to see the Bailey's chicken breast, you want 1,000 like feet. 1,000 like for this, how to get the Bailey's chicken breast. So I did tell you
200,000 likes, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Spam up the like button, drop the banger comments, share out the video, make us see the numbers, guys. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.